morning. This is Bill and Brett's Q3 Make It Better video. Hi, Bill.
Well,
What's bothering you today?
the thing that bothers me is that we do these connectors with these countersinks in them, and they shouldn't be in there.
Why not?
Because they take
Wait,
long.
Bill. Safety first, buddy. Come on, you're by the machine. This is very dangerous stuff. There you go. Get your PPE on. Okay, what's wrong with them?
One, it takes a long time to do, and costs a lot of money.
Why don't we just remove the countersink?
Well, let's do that.
Oh, thank you. Shavine, can you make a change to the program?
No.
Yes. Do it anyway. Let's see the new part. So by removing the countersink and getting a longer bolt, we save about $15,000 per year. And that's how we made it better.